Most teenagers are all too happy to spend their summers vacationing with family or lazing about with their friends. Some, however, embark on an adventure. Ellie Yeater was one such teen. After saving up $500 for a DIY project, she discovered a camper for sale online. It only cost $200, and so the 14-year-old decided to buy it. Once she purchased the camper, she got ready to completely transform it. The vehicle had originally been used for camping and hunting, and it was in pretty rough shape. It was fair to say she had her work cut out for her. Ellie got the idea to renovate the camper after her older brother Isaiah built a tiny cabin on their family's property. She wanted her own hangout spot, but she preferred something cuter and closer to the house so she could have electricity and Wi-Fi. She saw this as an opportunity to let her personality shine through with her design choices. That's exactly why she decided to paint the inside a peach color and fill it with polka dots and stripes. It suggested a fun and laid-back kind of setting. Ellie's father Larry helped with the carpentry, and her grandmother even made curtains to hang inside. Considering how small her living space was going to be, there were surprisingly lots of windows to cover. During the day, however, she planned to let in a lot of natural light. Many other components of the camper were outdated. Guessing that it was made in the 1970s, the original tiled floor featured a peculiar green pattern. Ellie decided to place new tiles on the floor with a more updated and modern appeal. She collected items that she could use to decorate the camper, too. She wanted to make sure it reflected her own personality and items like this chic dress form. She even made sure to construct a winding path to her new hideaway. Ellie hoped to save up for a window air conditioning unit to install the very next summer. That way, she could enjoy sleepovers with her friends during the summertime without worrying about people becoming uncomfortable and overheating. She also hoped to invite a few friends over for a party. There was plenty of space for them to hang out, and they could even gather around the renovated kitchen bench seating. It looked like the camper was ready for its big premiere. You can see that Ellie took every possible detail into consideration. Not only did she spend a lot of time making the inside look brand new, but she did it on the exterior too. It was all in a summer's work for Ellie. It just shows that with a little creativity and elbow grease, you can turn anything into an awesome hangout space. Ellie was certainly going to enjoy spending time in her renovated camper.